Let's not sugarcoat this. Have you asked yourself lately, is AI going to replace me as an entrepreneur? Because that fear, it's real. And if you're over 40, trying to start or grow your online business, it probably feels like you're already behind. But here's something most people forget. This isn't the first time we felt this kind of fear. People said the same thing during the Industrial Revolution when machines started replacing factory workers. They said it when the internet came along. Many thought it would destroy traditional businesses. And bank tellers? They thought ATMs would wipe them out. But new opportunities always followed. What we're seeing now with AI is history repeating itself, but faster. And just like before, the people who resist the shift get left behind. But those who lean in, learn, and lead, well, they thrive. Now let me be very clear. AI is not your enemy, but the way you ignore or misuse it might be. Today, I'm exposing the real threat on how you can use AI to future-proof your business and not lose it. Now stay with me, because if you're building something online, this is your wake-up call. Do me a favor, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on another powerful video from me. Now, let's dive in. So what's really happening with AI? The truth is, AI isn't coming, it's already here. And it's not just about robots or futuristic tech. It's here in your content, in your emails, in your video scripts, in how fast someone can build a funnel or automate 6 months of work in one day. And here's the scary part. People who know how to use AI are outpacing those who don't by a mile. But the threat isn't AI replacing entrepreneurs. The real threat is entrepreneurs refusing to adapt. Imagine this. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to elevate you. It's the powerful assistant you've been waiting for, helping you streamline tasks that once took days, hours, or even weeks. What if you could generate content instantly based on your voice and style? What if you could personalize email marketing at scale without lifting a finger? What if you could launch campaigns in minutes rather than days? What if you could automate repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters, growth and innovation? That's the power of AI. But it's not just about tools. It's about mindset. Here's the truth. Mastering how to leverage AI gives you a competitive edge. Those who learn to use AI now will shape the future. Don't get left behind. The choice is yours. Will you continually operate as usual and let others outpace you? Or will you embrace the AI revolution and position your business for success like never before? Where AI fails and humans win. Now, here's some fact. AI can write content, but it doesn't understand your story. It can mimic a voice, but not your purpose. It can create fast, but not connect deep. So what wins in the marketplace? Well, authenticity wins. Human connection wins. Emotional storytelling wins. Real service and trust wins. The personal touch that only you can provide wins. This is where you come in. The entrepreneurs who thrive in 2025 will be the ones who combine heart plus smart tools, not the ones trying to out-type ChatGPT. But here's the secret. The real power lies in merging AI tools with your unique voice. The future of online business is about using technology to amplify your human touch, not replace it. What does this mean for you? It means you don't have to choose between technology and authenticity. Instead, you use technology as your ally to reach more people, save time, and focus on what really matters, such as building relationships and providing value. If you're wondering how to strike that perfect balance, I've got you covered. The right tools paired with your authenticity can transform your business without losing the personal touch that makes you stand out. Now, the hidden danger. Here's the real threat, Steve style. The illusion of AI as a shortcut to success. You think, oh, I'll just let the bots do it all. No strategy, no soul, no message that moves people. Wonder what that result is. You get lost in a sea of generic cookie cutter content. And here's the real kicker. The algorithm doesn't reward lazy, it rewards value. The truth is, AI can be a game changer, but only if you pair it with authenticity and strategy. You've got to give the algorithm something that speaks to real people, not just the machine. Ask yourself, are you just feeding the bots, or are you crafting content that connects? Here's where AI should fit in. Streamline your workflow, create time-saving tools, enhance but never replace your voice. When you use AI to amplify your message, that's where the magic happens. It's about leveraging the right tools while staying true to your purpose. You don't need to outsource your passion to the machines. You need to harness them to focus on what you really love. Now let's talk about using AI the right way. Such as, use AI to speed up repetitive tasks, email outlines, research. Free up your time for what matters most, connecting with your audience and refining your message. Use AI tools like Blogify, Faceless videos with AI, and ElevenLabs to boost content creation. These tools help you scale your content without losing quality. They save time, help create engaging content faster, and free up more space for your creativity. Use AI for structure, but add your voice, your story, your mission. AI can help organize your ideas, but the magic happens when you bring your personal touch. Your audience wants to connect with you, not just the content. That's where your uniqueness shines. AI is your amplifier, but you are the message. With the right tools, you can amplify your voice, but it's your passion, your purpose, and your authenticity that resonates with people and drives them to take action. If I had to start over right now with nothing, I'd first use AI to brainstorm ideas fast. Time is my most valuable asset. AI helps me generate ideas quickly, freeing up time for creativity and strategy. Remember, you're using AI to spark content ideas in seconds, and we know every second counts. Second, tell raw, real stories that connect. People buy from people they trust. Sharing your authentic journey builds deep emotional connections that leads to sales. Here's a tip. Be vulnerable. Share your struggles and wins. Now third, build an email list, not with just automation, but with heart. Automation saves time, but your emails should still feel personal and real. Remember, automate, but keep the tone human and relatable. Fourth, create faceless video content for passive growth. Faceless videos are a powerful way to create content without the pressure. Start posting short, engaging videos on YouTube or TikTok. And number 5, plug into proven frameworks. Skip the guesswork. Proven systems give you the roadmap and support you need to succeed. Now here's the bottom line. Use AI to leverage, not replace yourself. Focus on what you can do and let AI handle the rest. So let's wrap this up. Want to learn how to actually use AI to build your business without getting lost in the tech? Click the link in the description below and take the AI Business Builder Challenge. I recommend. It's 5 days of step-by-step instruction that makes everything click. You've been thinking about starting your own online business for way too long, haven't you? You know you've got the skills, the passion, and the experience, but maybe the tech feels like a roadblock. It doesn't have to be. This challenge isn't just about tools. It's about breaking through the confusion. It's about giving the clarity you need to build your business confidently. And with AI tools that do the heavy lifting for you. And the best part of all of this is you're not too old, you're not too late, you're exactly where you need to be. This is your chance to leverage AI as your ally, not a hurdle. Here's why this challenge works. There's no more guessing. Get clear, actionable steps. It's a confidence boost. Stop second guessing your abilities. Finally, it's real results. Start building your business the right way from day one. You just need the right plan and the right tools. The AI Business Builder Challenge gives you both. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on another video from me. See you in the next video.